Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to um, create a circuit, right? You put a gates on a circuit, and then I'm going to send this information over to a real quantum computer, a real one, right? I'm going to send my circuit information here. I have an X gate on the Q0 line right here, right? So I have an X gate on the Q0 lines, which turns the qubit from the 0 state to the 1 state. But I'm going to send this information over to a real quantum computer virtually, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to go here. Now, this video, I just want you to see me doing it. You know, you're not really at that level to do something like this, but I just want you to see how it's done, you know, just for fun and just to, you know, kind of learn, right? So I'm going to go here, setup. Okay, so these are the quantum computers I can send my circuit information over to, and then it'll give me an output, right, of you know, the details that it gets, right, once it scans it, right. All right, so I'm going to pick this quantum computer in Brisbane. I think this is in Australia. This is an IBM computer in Australia, Brisbane. It says it's online, it's ready to have circuit information sent over to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to pick this one. This is IBM Open Main. 1,000 shots means basically it's going to do 1,000 trials of this circuit that I send over to. It's going to do it. It's going to execute it 1,000 times and give me an average of what it finds, right? So I'm going to put this at 1,024 shots, 1,000 trials. I'm going to pick this quantum computer in Brisbane, Australia, to execute it, to give me the output, and we're going to run it. Let's run it. Oh, it says, hold on, let me see. Circuit needs at least one measure. Well, it does have a measure. What are you talking about? All right, let me see something. Let's try this again. Let's see. Hold on a second. Maybe because, oh, okay, I see why. Okay, I gotta put a they want me to put a measurement gate. All right, so let me do a measurement gate. Let's see. Yeah, let me put a measurement gate. That's the reason why I wouldn't do it. So let me put a measurement gate. 1 second. Okay, so they want me to put a measurement gate after the X gate. All right, so I'm gonna put a measurement gate after it. And let's try it. Let's run this again. Let's do this again. So I got, like I said, I'm gonna pick the one in Brisbane, Australia. Send this one over to that one to execute this job, and we're gonna run it. Let's see what we get. Let's see what it gives us running it on a real quantum computer. It's gonna give us back details. And okay, so it says the job is sent to IBM Brisbane. All right, so they sent this circuit that I created over to the quantum computer in Brisbane, Australia, and we're gonna see what it gave me. Okay, it says the job is pending, so it's taking my circuit information here, transferring it over. We'd already transferred it over to the Brisbane quantum computer, but it's pending the details it's going to give back. So I have to wait. So I may come back tomorrow in a few hours and then tell you what the output was, what it what information it gave back from the quantum computer. All right, so that's the end of this video. My part 2 on this one will be probably later on today. Probably. That's it.